Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here, out and about midweek in the Stag, enjoying a lovely British summer. 30 odd degrees today, roof down, downpipe Duke in the back there, and we've worked out at 50 miles an hour he ducks down to keep out the wind. Anyway, yes, glad you're all with us, hope you're having a great time. Just wanted to report in on a quick trip we had last week down to Alan the Welders and Harry's MG BGT. You'll remember we call it the Triumph Stag support vehicle. So that was down at Alan's. I did do a little bit of recording in Harry's car on the way down, but unfortunately we lost the VT, so I'm having to do it again. So without further ado, let's go down, let's follow Harry, and I'll show you what Alan's been up to.
Heat seats. No, you'd want them in a home, but still.
Still an England flag flying over there. 3 lines on my shirt. I can see it at a very funny angle. Full tilt. Go and have a look and see. Good day for visiting garages. There is the MG BGT. All a kilter and a kimber. So here we are, a lot more work than
Hello, Harry.
Watch your Alan.
Sorry about this.
What started off is.
How you doing, mate? All right?
What started off is what should have been.
Oh, mate, all right?
Oh,
hello.
quick blowover. I couldn't
Yeah, all right, mate.
not do what I've done
No, that's all right, mate.
because I took the wing off. Oh, I sent you the photo.
Yeah.
The chassis from there to here was totally gone.
Yeah.
So you can't. Annoyingly, you can't see it where it's
No.
back in.
Yeah.
But it's right on that lip. The king seal was gone. Well, I photographed it as best I could because
Yeah.
the inner seal was gone, the king seal was gone, and the outer frame was gone. So
So to
that's
rebuild
all
it all up.
done. On the back, that's gone.
That's gone.
There's no dent there anymore.
No, on the back, I've got to remember how high. Oh my knees!
It was about
Literally
here,
from about here. So that's all new metal, all lipped under, and a new plate under there. When I come to the inside, it'll be seam sealed,
Yeah.
but that's all new, so that's all solid. Then I found holes in here, so that's been welded,
Right.
because I started just clearing back what was surface rust.
And then you found the hole
And
over
this, sorry, all of this mastic, I don't know, they must have had a contract with the firm that supplied it.
Yeah.
There's a piece of new metal in there.
Blimey.
What I've done is I cut out, because it's, you remember all the bubbles.
Yeah.
When I flattened it back, there weren't any bubbles there. There wasn't a lot of metal there. There was a lot of filler
Yeah.
in there, so that's now cut out. Probably from there to there, all been let back in, new metal dress. I haven't got as far as there yet because
No.
if you feel it, I've got
I
to
can see it.
fill those holes up,
Yeah.
and pretty much as this dent was, you know, all you had was the crease there.
Yeah.
Well, it ended up, well, that's how far the dent was
Okay.
to get it all even. Then, next nightmare, because it had been dropped, that crease that was across there, I've knocked it back, lined it all up, dressed it back, so now that's correct. I've done everything I can to give you the gutter seam.
Yep.
So once that's done, that was a lot more work than I anticipated.
Yeah.
And I've got to do the same on the other one. So that's all done. There was 2 dents there. These were all bits you couldn't see.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
Till you get it all off.
But
Yeah.
this, I mean, this was irreparable. I mean,
It was hanging on by a thread, wasn't it, really?
yeah. I mean, again, the age of the car, I'm not surprised.
No.
Yeah.
Metal has a life.
Yeah. Especially with all the salt on the roads and all that.
Yeah.
Doesn't do them any good at all, does it? And the water's flicked up from
Yeah.
the wheel. You can't see.
Well,
It was a pretty shiny wing, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
If you can remember, there was no metal there.
No.
That's right.
So that's all new lip,
Well done.
right the way down,
Yeah.
all metal.
Looks good.
There is another dent here. In fact, you can just about see the filler bit there. If you stand here, you can just see the dullness.
Right.
There were several creases through here. Then I thought, excellent, we're on the running. Then I found a hole there that I've had to literally put a little plug weld in. Little plug welds in just here. So this wing is now done. So this side of the car is pretty much there, except for where the mirrors go. Hasn't been as I've hoped.
That's right.
But I'm trying to get it done as quick as possible for you. But I can't not do it properly.
No.
No.
I mean, a lot of it I could have just gone, yeah, a bit of filler will do it.
Yeah. But then it's not done properly, is it?
I wouldn't be happy.
No.
You can see how different these wings are, almost,
I know.
can't you?
I'll tell you what, the number of differences in it.
Like the height on that side, like this one finishes right down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I'm hoping that balance will fit alright still, won't it?
the balance will fit.
Because it looks like
where
this.
your bumper will
This
fit.
lip. The bumper I can make fit. The bumper shouldn't be an issue.
I-
'Cause he bolts through there.
I'm not entirely sure if this was off a rubber bumpered one.
Yeah, I'm
Because-
thinking that.
Where it's got that extra height, I think it was for the lip.
Of the rubber
Because
bumper.
metric, not imperial. What came out was imperial.
Right.
What's gone in metric. The same on the inside were metric threads. So this wing is off of probably a 75, 76.
Yeah. It's annoying. It was all labelled up as when I bought it. Oh, it's a chrome bumper wing, and I was like, oh, chrome bumper wing for this much, which is why.
How
I
much
had
was it?
75 quid.
That's not bad.
Not bad, is it?
Despite the damage that was to
It was kind of 85% there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really. For the,
I mean, it's a
Kinda.
shame that it'd been dropped on that corner.
yeah.
Drew these out.
Well, that's just that's where the
The old one was, yeah.
Yeah.
And it bolts through there, doesn't it?
yeah.
You
I
get,
have to
get a new kit for these.
yeah. But they're just really
I think they're only 3.2s ago.
There you go.
I'm not going to be making too big a fuss about it. But the bottom everything has been sprayed with the chrome trims on.
Yeah.
And if you feel, I mean, it'll all be lost,
Yeah.
but I will know that it's still there. But they'd literally
It's-
just
it's-
masked off
it's
the
gonna
chrome
be good,
trims.
isn't it?
The other bit that I couldn't leave because there was rust behind it. It's all in around the badge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, what started off as a quick, easy one.
Yeah, I didn't anticipate this.
No, but I couldn't.
No.
I mean, I could have. I could have just used filler.
But
And at the
You're
end
going to
of
do
the
it. You're going to
day-
do it properly, aren't you, really?
Well, this was
the
my
thing.
thought, and I know you're in a hurry for your car,
I'm not, well,
but
yes and no, you know.
I thought I cannot not do it because otherwise you're going to be in here next year for me to do it all again.
Yeah.
Once it's done, I just want it to be done.
I have drawn a line under what I'm doing with regards everything that will be behind the bumper. I'm not making a big fuss about
No.
because if I do, the car's going to be here for a lot longer.
Yeah.
What I will make you aware of, at some point in the future, you're going to need a rear valance repair on that corner.
Okay.
I've sent you the photos. It was cracked right the way through,
Yeah.
and rusty,
Okay.
almost. Oh, stop, keep standing up. You can see there's a bulge there.
Yeah.
There's not a lot I can do about it because they'd already put a load of filler up inside. So what I've done is I've cut back as much as I could and I've welded a plate across.
Okay.
But at some point you may want to put on a valance trim.
Yeah.
I am going to be stone guarding. Stone guarding from about that line down,
Okay.
right the way along.
Yeah,
So-
you can't see it anyway, can you? So.
but the stone guarding is there for the car's benefit, not yours.
Yep.
It's the number of stone chips that I've been able to
Deal with.
deal with. Again, if I'd sprayed it, they'd show up.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm happy enough with the roof repairs.
Ceiling in that's what that's.
Yeah, this is what I am struggling to get all of this sealant off because you can't sand it off.
No.
I've tried using heat to get it off, and I've just been having to go around with a blade.
Scraping it off.
Yeah, I mean there
Swearing
is
at it.
so much of it. But the back part of your gutter's all now metal. Steady, Tony.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the back part of your gutter's all metal again. I was about to be dropping it down in a second to start on the other side, because I was hoping to be putting colour on it this weekend, as you know, because I want it,
Yeah.
but I can't not do it properly.
No, it's
Well, I can,
It's just pointless, isn't it?
but it would be me that's got to live with it. If ever I saw it, I'd be thinking, I'd much rather you have metal than filler.
Yeah.
Going well. All right, guys. Well, it's really good to see Alan at work there, and some good stuff happening with the MG, Harry.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's one of those processes, isn't it?
It is, yeah. And there's a little bit of issue with the front wing that I think is just fettling now, but the rest of the body and the rear,
Once it's dressed in, we'll be fine.
he's done really well. So yeah, and hoping by this time next week to start to get it towards paint. But
Well, it should hopefully be in colour next weekend.
but he's got to look at the other side first, so hopefully he won't find
Yeah.
too many more horror stories under there. But no, bless his cotton socks, he works hard, does Alan, and you know, if you want a proper job done, then he certainly does that, and doesn't like skimping, so we can be very happy about that.
It'll be metal.
It'll be metal, that's the main thing. Good, okay, well I hope you enjoyed today's update. Thanks for watching as ever. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Opt for your free Arry the Stag even, badge of honour, and Saturday sockets as well, which we do on a Saturday, so sign up for that. And yeah, have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag
Very soon.
very soon. All the best, guys. Cheers for now.